is a blessing because he is picked into the Church of MREE to lead the kids in the Sunday school, as I heard. And even though Honey or my father is turning old, he shall not worry, for the Lord has taken care of him. Now, as we can see, Honey is sharing verses through the days.
I love you.